Hi and welcome back. Thanks for coming back for part 2. Okay, now the questions that follow all come under the webpage on Canvas, Negotiate Resolution of the Complaint. So number 8 is, how is negotiation used to resolve complaints? You can see a screenshot at the bottom there, so that'll give you a bit of a heads up where to go looking. You can do this answer in 2 very simple sentences. Look for words, keywords like assertive communication, successful outcomes, and win-win solutions. This comes under complaints that need referral. So number 9, what types of complaints may need to be referred? And once again, I've got the screenshot there because it can be a bit obscure to find. What you're asking yourself is, when would you ask for help? One example might be, it's a complex complaint, and that's just one answer. You still need to find the other 2, and then you're done, okay? So, the next section, who to refer to. I've actually included this screenshot here, mostly because it's a bit obscure and hard to follow. Another reason why I put the video together. So in number 10, referrals may be internal or external. List 6 people or organisations you can refer complaints to. Briefly explain why these people or organisations can assist the complaint to be resolved. Obviously, you'd tell your manager. Who else would you tell? Don't forget about, in the screenshot, it talks about the Ombudsman. In our case, in Job Active and Disability, we're more likely to be in touch with the department, or your manager will be in touch with the department. But find 6 and briefly explain how they can help to resolve the complaint. Okay. Forwarding documents to relevant people. Number 11. Why should you forward all documents and investigation reports when referring complaints? So it might be they know what it's, so that people know what it's about. It could be because it helps others to make informed consent. Look, I'm sure you'll find the answer there. It's all on that first section under forward documents to relevant people. Following up with appropriate people. Number 12, what is the purpose of following up with the appropriate people? So think about it. You'd like to know that you resolved it, surely, yes, and you could use this information in the future, correct? 2 sentences and you're done, okay? Not a trick question. Implications for the customer and the organisation. So, what are the, this is number 13, what are the implications for both the customer and the organisation if complaints are handled poorly? List 3 of each. This is on the page, implications for the customer and the organisation, and you need to list 3 problems for the customers and their organisation. You'll see it there in a table. Negotiating options with your customer. The question is, why do you give customers the option during the negotiation process? And honestly, it is not a trick question. I know it seems a bit obscure and a bit like duh, but it is that simple, guys. And there's the first line, just in case you need it as a prompt. Okay, answering number 15, all options that are relevant should be in line with the organisation's policies as well as law. Why? And obviously, think about it, you couldn't offer something that your organisation couldn't do, right? Why else? Could it be about the law? Could it be about, it might not be illegal? I don't know. So there's a heads up. This is the very last one. You're doing very well. Referring matters that can't be negotiated. I'll give you this one free of charge. The answer is talk to your manager. You can add a whole lot of other stuff if you want, but if you cannot negotiate a solution, the only course of action left to you is to refer it to your manager. Okay? Wonderful. So there you go. Oops. See you next time.